Hello and welcome to my first ever unboxing video. As you probably already know, the best things come in plain brown paper bags. So I'm going to open this up and take a look and see what I got from the Royal Mail. So here we go. Let's have a look. Oh wait, wrong bag. Cut, try again. This is the bag I wanted to open. This one. This is welcome to my second unboxing video. The first one was a chocolate croissant, and this isn't. So let's have a look and see what's in here. This is like Christmas, isn't it? For those of you who do Christmas. It's a rock. It's actually a piece of Apophyllite, which is a crystal, and it has some interesting energetic properties that I'm going to use for some experiments later on. So, an Apophyllite crystal, which got shipped by airmail from England. So there we are. Let's see what happens in the next episode when I try out this Apophyllite crystal.